The crash of the Indian Tejas fighter jet at the Dubai Air Show in November 2025 has sent shockwaves through the aviation community, raising critical questions about the risks of high-stakes aerobatic maneuvers. The pilot, Wing Commander Namansh Syal, was performing a negative G maneuver, a highly complex and demanding move, when the aircraft lost control and plunged into a steep vertical nosedive, resulting in his tragic death. The Tejas, a lightweight, multi-role combat aircraft developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, is known for its agility and advanced capabilities. However, its delta-wing design, while excellent for maneuverability, has limitations in energy recovery and angle of attack control, especially during abrupt maneuvers at low altitudes. Experts suggest the crash could be attributed to a combination of factors, including aerodynamic stall, a sudden power interruption, or a fault in the digital fly-by-wire flight control system. Video footage of the incident shows the aircraft wobbling midair, flipping sharply, and then losing control before bursting into flames. The pilot, despite attempting to eject, did not have enough altitude or time to safely exit the aircraft. The Tejas is equipped with a Martin Baker Mk-16 ejection seat, designed for 0-0 capability, but activation requires precise conditions, which were not met in this case. The Indian Air Force, IAF, has constituted a court of inquiry to determine the exact cause of the crash, examining technical, human, and environmental factors. The incident has sparked debate about the safety protocols of air shows, pilot training, and the Tejas program's future. HAL has termed the crash an isolated occurrence and assured no impact on business operations or future deliveries, but the event has raised concerns about the aircraft's reliability, particularly as India seeks to export the Tejas. The Dubai Air Show, one of the largest in the world, continued its program after the crash, with